Imagine a triangle perfectly inscribed in a circle, its three vertices resting exactly on the circumference. With only given side lengths, we can determine the precise radius of the circle. This geometric problem looks simple, yet it hides a beautiful chain of reasoning. We study triangle ABC inscribed in a circle. The segment AB measures 13 units, BC measures 14 units, and AC measures 15 units. Our goal is to compute the radius r of the circumscribed circle. We begin by dropping a perpendicular from point A onto side BC. The foot of this perpendicular is labeled D, and the height AD is denoted H. The point D divides segment BC into two parts, BD equals x, and CD equals 14 minus x. Considering right triangle ABD, the Pythagorean theorem gives h to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2 equals 13 to the power of 2. This implies h to the power of 2 equals 100. 69 minus x to the power of 2. We call this equation number 1. Next, considering right triangle ACD, the Pythagorean theorem yields h to the power of 2 plus 14 minus x, all to the power of 2, equals 15 to the power of 2. Expanding the square gives h to the power of 2 plus 14 to the power of 2, minus 2 times 14 times x, plus x to the power of 2, equals 225. This implies that h to the power of 2 equals 225 minus 196 plus 28 times x minus x to the power of 2. Thus, h to the power of 2 equals 29 plus 28 times x minus x to the power of 2. We call this equation number 2. Equating equations number 1 and number 2, we have 169 minus x to the power of 2 equals 29 plus 28 times x minus x to the power of 2. This simplifies to 169 equals 29 plus 28 times x. Hence x equals 5. Substituting x equals 5 into equation number 1 gives h to the power of 2 equals 169 minus 5 to the power of 2. So h to the power of 2 equals 144. And therefore h equals 12. Next, we draw the diameter from point A through the center of the circle to a point that we label F on the opposite side of the circumference. The length AF equals 2 times r. Now considering triangle AFC. This triangle is right-angled at C because AF is the diameter. Also, angles ABD and AFC intercept the same arc, and according to the inscribed angle theorem, these angles are equal. Thus, triangles ABD and AFC are similar. From this similarity, we deduce that the ratio h divided by 13 equals 15 divided by AF. Since AF equals 2 times r, by cross-multiplying we obtain 2 times r equals 13 times 15 divided by 12. Hence, the radius r equals 8.125 units. By combining perpendicular projections, Pythagorean identities, and triangle similarity, we arrive at a clean and exact value for the circle's radius, 8.125 units. A seemingly simple triangle opens the door to a complete geometric method. If you appreciate precise geometric reasoning and clear mathematical storytelling, like this video, subscribe for future content, and share it with someone who enjoys rigorous problem solving. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.